Hi there, I'm back with new video. In this tutorial we'll learn about Lofted cut in Solidworks. This tool helps us to cut or remove materials within two or more profiles. It's the working principle, the basic foundation of Lofted cut is just like a loft boss or base tool. The difference between loft boss and loft cut is loft cut removes materials and later adds materials. Loft cut can be fairly easy to extremely complex. This is also an important tool for surface modeling. So we'll start. First of all, we'll create one cube of 100 by 100 by 100. So front plane is case. Draw a cube, rectangle, and give the dimension. 100 and this one to be 100. Oh, sorry. Another important thing about lofted cut is we require at least two profile planes and a guiding curve for guided lofted cut. So if we do not use guiding curve, then lofted curve becomes unguided lofted cut. That is, it cuts on its own. So we do not, we can't get a model of our own that we wanted to render. So if we use guiding curve, then you can define the cut as per your requirement. So we'll try both here, the guided lofted cut and unguided lofted cut. We'll try both. So first of all, we'll try unguided lofted cut, that is without using the guiding curve. Features extruded pose. We'll extrude up to 100 mm. So two profiles. I want to sketch first profile in this plane, in this face, and the second profile in this plane. And I'll sketch guiding curve in this face. Face. So we'll start with this face, sketch normal, and we'll create circular face. And in next face, I'll create rectangular face. Rectangle of 20 by 20. You can give dimension as per your need. So no need to worry about it. 20 by 20, okay. Two profiles are completed and the last remaining is curve. Okay, this is also completed, so we'll sketch a guiding curve here. For this, I want to introduce spline here from this to this line, and we'll put some relation here. This point and the side of this rectangle will pierce. Okay, if we do not pierce, then model will not, we can't use this curve as guiding curve. Pierce, okay, and this, sorry, I think this is already coincident. Make coincident, already coincident. So we define a guiding curve here. So we'll try with our guiding curve at first. Go to features, lofted cut, select these two profiles. No need to, first of all, we'll do without guiding curve. So clear selections here, and for profiles like this two, sorry. So two profiles are selected, and these green dots, they also plays very important role to make a cut here. You can move these green dots to make a twisted cut. So if you make in same line, then this will cut along the line, and there will be no twisting around it, twisted value. So if you move to another corner, then you can see the preview, how it's the changing, how it's um, twisting. So this green dots plays very important role in unguided Lofted cut. So now we'll put them in same line here. This is up to you. You can define these green dots. So this is our unguided lofted cut without using a guiding curve. If you want to use guiding curve for a guided lofted cut, then you can just edit this in cut loft, go to edit feature, and introduce a guiding curve here. So this is our lofted cut using guiding curve, and this is called guided lofted cut. So there is no confusion, I think. So click OK. So we have already done two types of loft cut, guided lofted cut and unguided lofted cut. This is the main principle. This is the main requirement to use lofted cut in Solidworks model. You can use it in different ways to create a model of your own. It's up to you, guys. So thank you for watching my videos. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and we'll upload Solidworks videos every week. Thank you. I would like to hear from you and put down some comment.